Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty in a way that's both smart and real. Imagine a body lotion that promises not just hydration, but firmer, more radiant skin in just 2 weeks. Sounds promising, right? That's exactly what we're looking at today with Vaseline Radiant X Firm and Restore, a nourishing body lotion designed to leave your skin feeling soft, strengthened, and visibly firmer. This lotion is formulated with Vaseline's 2% moisture firming complex, which combines Pro-Retinol, Niacinamide, and petroleum jelly. On top of that, it's enriched with coconut oil and ultra-hydrating lipids to support your skin's natural barrier. Vaseline claims this body lotion delivers up to 72 hours of moisture, absorbs quickly, and leaves no greasy residue. It's also non-comedogenic, paraben-free, and phthalate-free, making it suitable for all skin types and tones. When I incorporated this into my daily routine, the texture immediately stood out. It's lightweight and silky, gliding onto the skin without that heavy, sticky feeling some body lotions leave behind. I applied it in the morning after showering and noticed my skin felt soft and hydrated almost instantly. Over the course of 2 weeks, my skin did appear a touch firmer and more radiant, especially on areas prone to dryness like the elbows and knees. The fragrance is mild and pleasant, not overpowering, which makes it easy to layer under other scented products. One practical note, because it absorbs quickly, it's ideal for mornings when you're short on time but still want your skin to feel nourished. The pros are clear. It's hydrating, lightweight, absorbs well, and seems to improve skin firmness with consistent use. It's formulated with dermatologist expertise, which adds credibility to the claims. On the flip side, while 2 weeks showed slight firmness improvements, those looking for dramatic anti-aging effects might need a longer period or additional targeted treatments. Also, it's on the pricier side compared to standard Vaseline lotions, though you are paying for the enriched formula. In terms of value, I'd say it's reasonable if you prioritize hydration plus a subtle firming effect. The packaging is simple but functional, the 8-ounce bottle is easy to handle, and the pump ensures you get a controlled amount each time. Compared to similar firming body lotions on the market, this one stands out for its blend of pro-retinol, niacinamide, and coconut oil, ingredients that are clinically backed and dermatologically tested. It isn't revolutionary, but it combines proven actives in a user-friendly format. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, basic Vaseline lotions or other firming lotions with hyaluronic acid and natural oils might provide decent hydration, but they may not offer the same blend of firmness-enhancing ingredients. For those specifically seeking firmer, radiant skin, the Vaseline Radiant X Firm and Restore is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Vaseline Radiant X Firm and Restore is a solid choice for anyone looking to combine deep hydration with mild firming benefits. It's easy to use, dermatologist-backed, and provides noticeable softness and radiance in just a couple of weeks. If your skin tends to get dry or you're curious about gentle firming results, this lotion could easily fit into your daily routine. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.